Today we are having a look at Capitec, and now we can have a look at part 5 of the Capitec financial statement. We have looked at interest income to non-interest income from part 1 to part 4. Now we are just have a look into operational expenses for Capitec, which is about 20 billion, right, in the year 2026. And as you can see, operational expenses, this is the column for operational expenses. Right, it has been also like increasing from 12 billion 2022 to 20 billion 2026. I mean, the company is hiring more people, revenue is growing, but what is impressive is that operational expenses is growing at a lesser rate than revenue, which means the company is becoming more efficient, right? So we've got 20 billion operational expenses, and we know that the total income was 42 billion, combining the two major incomes, interest and non-interest. It gives us 42 billion. So if you say 42 billion minus operational expenses, you're gonna get a total, right, and then which is about 22 billion, right? We just really deduct a small amount of impairments of investments, right? And then after that, we've got 22 billion, and then we're gonna deduct tax. You know, you always have to take to pay the taxman his portion, which is about 5.3 billion, the taxman. And this is the profit of the year for Capitec was 16 billion, right? This was the profit of the year. The most important number for Capitec was 16 billion, right? And I want you to take note that here is the profit from Capitec. It has doubled in the past 5 years from 8, right, billion per year to 9 billion to 10 billion. Years it went to 13 billion. Then it's 16 billion, right? So it is impressive numbers by Capitec, growing at a double-digit growth. Profit has doubled from the past 5 years because Capitec is introducing more products. You know, they are really trying to increase their revenue streams, and not what we have highlighted, the 4 major sources of income for Capitec: non-interest income from lending out money, interest income from investing in other assets. We've got transaction fees that they charge when they're doing transaction. We've got value-added services that they have. We've got Capital Connect and insurance. These are the major contributors. From this amount, we get income. We just remove the impairment, we remove the operating expenses, which was 20 billion, which means the money that they pay, you know, employees and other costs to run the business. And then we've got our net profit of 16 billion, which is really an impressive growth rate by Capitec in the last 5 years. So this is the key numbers, right? And from there, we can then just pay dividends, right, from this amount, right? And we can just calculate headline earnings and other metrics that come from there. But this is the core figure that we are looking for in this particular book. Have a look at this financial statement. Tell me what you think. In the next video, I'll be looking at the balance sheet and we can take it from there. Thank you.